Cooking with kids isn't just about making a meal, it's about creating memories, sparking curiosity, and building confidence in young chefs. It's an invitation for children to experience the kitchen as a place of joy, learning, and togetherness. Whether your child is a seasoned helper or just starting to get curious about what goes on at the counter, family cooking sessions can transform ordinary afternoons into cherished adventures. Start by choosing recipes that are simple, colorful, and hands-on. Think mini pizza bagels, rainbow fruit skewers, or custom-made sandwiches. These recipes not only ease children into the process, but also let them express their creativity, choosing their own toppings, arranging ingredients, and even inventing new combinations. For many kids, the highlight is kneading dough, the sensation of flour between their fingers, the thrill of watching it rise, and the anticipation of tasting something they had a hand in making. Inviting children to wash, peel, or chop soft fruits and vegetables with kid-friendly tools builds both skills and confidence. Assigning age-appropriate tasks, such as stirring batter, measuring ingredients, or sprinkling cheese, helps young participants feel valued and involved. This sense of accomplishment doesn't just yield delicious snacks, it lays the groundwork for independence and self-esteem. Beyond the basics of food prep, cooking with kids offers a chance to teach essential life skills in a natural and engaging way. Measuring out ingredients becomes a lesson in fractions and math. Reading recipes encourages literacy and attention to detail. Even setting the timer transforms into a mini lesson about time management. Conversations about the origins of ingredients spark curiosity about cultures, history, and nutrition, making every cooking session an opportunity for discovery. Safety is always top of mind. Use the moment to teach about hot surfaces, careful handling of utensils, and the importance of cleanliness in the kitchen. Model the habit of washing hands before and after cooking, and explain why it matters. Keeping tasks age-appropriate and supervision close ensures that everyone has fun while staying safe. One of the secret joys of cooking together is the magic of turning a handful of simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Homemade pancakes, for example, can become a Sunday morning tradition, and kids adore pouring the batter, flipping the pancakes, and topping them with their favorite berries or syrup. It's the combination of familiar rituals, warm flavors, and shared laughter that makes these moments special. Don't shy away from a little mess. Remember, flour will spill and sticky fingers are part of the process. For children, splashing water to wash vegetables or patting dough into shapes is half the fun. Embrace the chaos. A quick wipe down or rinse at the end is a small price for the joy and learning gained. Eating together is the delicious finale, reinforcing the sense of teamwork and pride in the finished dish. When children see family members enjoying the food they helped it create, it strengthens their confidence and connection to the family unit. This isn't just about nourishment, it's about fostering a deep sense of belonging. In the end, cooking with kids is about more than recipes and flavors. It's about nurturing curiosity, encouraging exploration, and showing children that they have valuable contributions to make. It's about sharing stories, laughter, and the satisfaction of a meal made with love. So gather your little chefs, roll up your sleeves, and let the kitchen become a playground for imagination and togetherness. The memories you cook up today will last far longer than any single meal.